Hello and welcome back. Today we have an interesting geometry problem. The problem is we are given a triangle having three different angles, alpha, 2 alpha, and 3 alpha. Furthermore, they gives us one side length which measuring 16 units. Our job is to find out the area of this triangle. Now, to find out the area of this triangle, first of all, we need to find the three angles. After that, we will determine the lengths of the other sides. And finally, we'll calculate the area of this triangle. Now, to find each angle of the triangle, you must know that the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. So, the sum of alpha, 2 alpha, and 3 alpha will be 180 degrees. Therefore, we can write alpha plus 2 alpha plus 3 alpha equal 180 degree. By adding these three terms together, we get 6 alpha equal 180 degree. Okay, now dividing both sides by 6 and we get alpha equal 30 degree. So the value of angle alpha is 30 degree. Now, if alpha is 30, then 2 alpha equals 60 and 3 alpha equal 90. So that type of special right triangle, we called it 30, 60, 90 triangle. This special triangle has a unique property that in 30, 60, 90 triangle, the sides are always in a specific ratio. The side opposite the 30-degree angle has length x. The side opposite the 60-degree angle has length x into square root of 3. And the hypotenuse opposite the 90-degree angle has length 2 times x. Now, let's assume the given measurement of 16 units is the side opposite the 30-degree angle. This is one of the two perpendicular sides of our right triangle. If the side opposite 30-degree angle equals 16 units, then x equals 16. Therefore, the side opposite 30 degree is 16 units. The side opposite 60 degree is 16 into square root of 3 units, and the hypotenuse opposite 90 degree is 2 times 16, which equals 32 units. In a right triangle, the two perpendicular sides can serve as the base and height for our area calculation. We have one perpendicular side measuring 16 units and the other perpendicular side measuring 16 into square root of 3 units. The area of a right triangle is calculated using the formula 1/2 times base times height. Substituting our values, the area equals 1/2 times 16 over square root of 3. Let's simplify this. This 2 cancel this 16 and it equal 8. So the area becomes 8 times 16 over square root of 3, which equals 128 into square root of 3. Now, the square root of 3 is approximately 1.732. So, multiplying it with 128, and it gives us approximately 221.7 square units. So finally, the area of this special 30, 60, 90 triangle is approximately 221.7 square units. Note that this solution here, we assumes the given 16-unit measurement is the side opposite the 30-degree angle. If the 16 units refers to a different side, or an altitude to the hypotenuse, the answer would be different. I hope you enjoy the video. If you did and get something interesting in this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting and step-by-step geometry math solutions. Thanks for watching, and good luck.